Welcome to this ALLPLAN tutorial. In this video we will show you how to create a window. You can find the window function in the role Architecture under Elements, in the area of Components, right where you find the door. I open the window function. You might already recognize the symbol for properties. So when entering those, you can set everything you need for the window opening, such as shape or parameters as height or width. On the right side, you find a drawing that helps you with the definitions. The height of a window opening can also be set relatively to levels. For example, I can define an offset for the bottom level of my window to the bottom of the floor that the element is on. In case you need more information, check out our tutorial concerning Floor Manager and Floor Model. The offset of 1 meter, in this case, means that there will be a height of sill of 1 meter. Just like that, I can also edit the top level relation of my window to the upper plane of my floor. After changing the settings, I confirm by OK. In this tutorial, we will only talk about rectangular shaped windows. In case you're interested in free forms that you can design yourself, check out our tutorial to this topic. I can choose 2D format properties of how the window will be displayed in my drawing and a representation of sill. To build a proper 3D model, I should create a reveal element. I can edit the reveal settings up here, but only after I inserted my window into the wall, because those options are dependent on the thickness and the layers of the wall that the window is in. I will return to those settings later, and meanwhile, press OK. As you can see, now I'm able to choose the position of my window. Before clicking on its position, it's important to realize that there is an outside and an inside of the window. Depending on whether I click on the inside of my wall or on the outside, you can see that the red mark is changing. The closed part of my red mark is always the outside. So in this case, I need to click on the outer side of my wall to insert the position of my window. As soon as I click anywhere in my wall, I receive a helping point I can refer to set an exact position for this opening. ALLPLAN gives me the exact coordinates of the distance of the point that I clicked on to the reference point. I can change my reference point by clicking somewhere else in the wall. And now you also see that there is always a different distance shown. I can either confirm the given distance or correct it by putting in another number. I confirm with Enter, and now I'm able to either confirm the width of my window or even change it. You can turn off the confirmation of the width by clicking here. Turning it on can be helpful when you have various windows with the same properties but different widths. As I'm still in the function, I'm able to insert another window with the same properties as the one before. And as you can see, it has the same width as well. My anchor point, the point that I hold my window with, is now on the left outer side. I can change this by going to this symbol and choosing a different anchor point. This helps me in this example, as soon as I click into the wall, I have my reference point on the other side of my window. I type in the distance that I would like it to have, and I created my windows. I escaped the function in order to show you how to edit those windows. By simply clicking on the window once, I already see some measurements, and I can change those directly. I will do this with the second window. And if I would like to insert another window with the same properties as the existing one, I simply double right-click in the existing window and I can insert it. This time, I will change the anchor point to the middle so that I can automatically choose the middle of my wall for the window's position. Again, I escape the function. In order to change the window afterwards, I can double-click in it and the Properties window opens up. Here you can see that I can edit the reveal. Right now my outer reveal is at 0, which is why you see a dotted line on the outer side of the window. I will change this to exactly the width of my outer layer, which I can see on the right side. My inner reveal changes automatically. I choose to change the type of my reveal, and as a result of that, I'm able to set offsets of my outer layer on both sides of the window, as well as on the upper side. I confirm by pressing OK. As you can see now, not only the reveal lines have changed their position in the middle window, but also did my outer layer react to the offset. Now that we have designed the window openings, we can insert a detailed window frame. Under Opening Elements, you find smart parts for doors and different others. I open the window smart part, and a new palette with properties for this window opens up. In case you need further information about how to create and design smart parts, check out our tutorial to this topic. I insert my smart part, and here again I have to take care that the blue arrow shows on the outside. I quickly design a window, and close the properties. I insert the same window into the other two openings and close the function smart part. And here you have the result of our tutorial. Hopefully this video made clear how to properly use the window opening function. Thank you for your attention and enjoy using ALLPLAN.